The AI will create PowerPoints based on the action points and can even tailor the presentation to your client's branding. Need to do an Excel analysis? Well, don't worry, the AI will do that for you too. All of these things are things that used to take a couple of hours, a couple of days to complete, and now you can do it in minutes. And the effect of that is almost incalculable. And there's golden window of opportunity for you to use this before everyone else catches on. And the best part is, tools like this will become more prevalent. Now you might be wondering, where does this leave you in the equation? That leaves you in a situation where the most important thing you need to do is foster relationships. And if you think about it, all of these big executives and all of these people, at the end of the day, fundamentally, that's what they do. The best business owners make a handful of strategic decisions and maintain and grow relationships. That means that it's time to capitalize on your uniquely human qualities and use the leverage that AI has afforded to you. Now, if you want to get a better understanding of what business models could be used the best with AI and with the way the business is being run in 2023, check out the first link in the